Hello guys, this is Dope Tech. Today I'm going to show how to install the new Android Q Android 10 update for the Redmi K20 and K20 Pro. It's the official update which has come. You have to go to settings and system update. Then you can check for updates. There will be an update for Android Q. Click on download and wait for the download. It will take a while. After downloading, click on reboot now.
Fire spreading all around.
Here you can see the software update is installing in the device. I will fast forward the video. Here you can see software update is installed and now phone is rebooting.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
In Android Q there are so many features.
Live inside my own world of make-believe.
It will take 5 to 10 minutes. I will fast forward this video. Please watch full video for knowing the features. As you can see, the phone has booted. By going to settings and my device, you can see here that it is based on MIUI Global 10.4.8 stable update and based on Android 10 update. For the featured parts, there is new ambient display, there are new clock styles which you can set. As you can see here, there are 3 to 4 new watch faces. As you can see here, it looks beautiful. There are some subtle changes and other additions to the Android 10, but there is not a huge upgrade. I think there will be good update when MIUI 11 will come. There is new data well-being option where you can track your usage for your device, how you use your device in daily basis. You can control notifications also. There are some special features such as game turbo, change effects of the camera. There are 2 new effects added to the Android 10 update. There is new lift to open the front camera feature. There are some more other features also, such as quick replies, which is added in this update, where you can quickly reply from the notification in the status bar. As you can see here, by checking on the updates, MIUI 10.4.8.0 is the latest update. There is ambient display and there is dark mode, which we thought that in this update there will be system-wide dark mode, but it is not available. I think it will be available in MIUI 11. There are some subtle changes which you can find. So this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you want for more content for the K20 and K20 Pro, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.